Hello guys, do you know you can get MTN data subscription for affordable price? I mean for a lower price, way lower than the price you are buying it right now. So just stay with me from the beginning to the end of this video where I will show you how you can get MTN data subscription for as low as 600 naira for 4 GB. So stay with me from the beginning to the end where I will share all the code to you. So the very first code you have to dial, which is the number one, is *344 *2 *1 hash, and you click on send. You click on MTN. It's loading. It's loading. I think the network is very poor right now. The network is poor. The network is poor. Let me dial it again. *344 *2 *1 hash. So you click on send. Click on MTN. And as you can see, it's here already. So this is it. On 300 AB for 15 naira 7 days, while 600 naira for 4 GB 30 days. So you buy the one you are willing to buy. So the second code on our list is *312 *65 *2 hash. So this is the second code. You click on MTN, and as you can see here, you will be charged 300 naira for the purchase of 1 GB weekly data bundle valid for 7 days. If you click on proceed, you will actually go to the next step. So let me go to the number 3, which is *121 *248 hash. You click on MTN. Wait, just hold on, let me try again. *121 *248 hash. MTN. It seems this code is not available again, so let me go to the next one. *312 *65 *3 hash. As you can see, look at the fourth code, which is the third code right now. You will be charged 1000 naira for the purchase of 4 GB monthly data bundle valid for 30 days. This is a whopping one as well. So I will show you the other one. Let us go straight to the other one. *121 *3 hash. So this is the other one. It seems this code is not actually available right now. Seems it's not available right now. So let's go to the other one. *121 *4 *2 hash. Oh, seems this code is not also available. Let's go to the other one. *121 *4 *1 hash. Seems this one is not also available. Let's go to the other one. *121 *4 *3 hash. Oh my god, this one is not also available. Let's go to the last but not the least, which is *312 *1 *7 *1 *1 *1 hash. Which is *312 *1 *7 *1 *1 *1 hash. So you click on send, click on MTN. Service temporarily unavailable. Let me try again. *312 *1 *7 *1 *1 *1, and click on hash. You send it. Oh, it seems this is the last one. So I think about 3 to 4 work. So those ones that work, try it out. If it worked for you, you subscribe them and you enjoy using MTN. So if you are not join my WhatsApp community group, I'll drop the link on the description of this video for you to join my WhatsApp community, because that's where I drop the update before coming here to YouTube to post it. So if you don't want to miss it out, if you don't want to miss any upcoming updates out, then join my WhatsApp community, because that's the exact first place I drop this MTN ship subscription code before coming here to drop it. I dropped it yesterday and so many people have benefited from it. So if you don't want to miss out, click the link on the description of this video to join my free WhatsApp community group. Thank you for watching from the beginning to the end of this video.